We are pleased to present today a new exclusive from Fonpole Real Estate. In the enchanting setting of the Venetian countryside, between Verona and Vicenza, lies this extraordinary villa, dating back to the 18th century and associated with the noble Pisani family, one of the most influential lineages in the land of Venice, renowned for their role in the Serenissima Republic of Venice and their construction of sumptuous residences. This is an authentic architectural gem, enriched by a private chapel, a series of arcades, and rustic annexes that enhance its historical charm. The property, fully restored in 2008 and meticulously maintained in excellent condition with its most recent refurbishment in July 2024, offers a unique opportunity for those seeking an exclusive residence or an ideal solution for high-end hospitality ventures. Equipped with a photovoltaic system, underfloor heating, and air conditioning, the villa boasts a B energy efficiency rating. For more information or to book a visit, please do not hesitate to contact us.